Guess what? I found an estate sale.
Billy, do you have any money for the estate sale?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Okay, so you guys are gonna think I'm crazy for buying this.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Lena. I'm a mother of 8 and I love sharing weekly vlogs about thrifting, DIY projects, home decor, luxury goods, trying to lose weight, and just living life. If this sounds like something you're into, please subscribe and let's be besties.
Look, I got my toes done so I can wear these.
This one is like my favorite one. Like you can just tell by the window, they have pretty things. Let's see what they have. Last time I was here. So my goal. What are these trivets? Look at this. Cute little stuff. Alright. Assorted. So I'm gonna get copywritten for this music in the background. What is this thing? Look at the frame. It's nice. It's a print though. $18. Might get that one. These cute little. Look at that. These cute chair. $125. Oops, I like it.
Hey, so I want to share what I got thrifting and antiquing. Okay, so you guys are gonna think I'm crazy for buying this, but this box of like all these different stones. I've got this one. This is my favorite one. Look at that. All these granite pieces. I don't know if these were harvested off like a river somewhere. All these pretty pieces. Yeah, they're all natural pieces of stone. I was thinking like we could do some sort of like DIY project where all of the pieces are glued like this. You know? Well, we'd have to have a smaller one here. Like that on all 4 sides and make like a stone candelabra. I think that'd be really pretty. So I got that to make a project. Oh, and then this big one. You could even like glue this on this, you know, and then like put the stone cluster around. So I got that. Then the next thing I got, I thought this was an African-American bust because she kind of looks like it to me, but I'm not sure. Anyhow, she's cute. And you could put this like on a fireplace, on like a shelf styling. Yeah, I thought this was really pretty. And I think I only paid $18 for this. I think it's porcelain. Really cute. It's not like a typical bust, you know? Busts are really in style right now, kind of over trending, but cute. So I got that. Then I want to start eating on real silver. So I was watching French Country Friends, and she was talking about how she always eats on real silver, and I'm like, I want to do that too. So, and I got this for my toddler because every time he puts a spoon, he goes like this. Everything falls right out. So this is a nice small spoon, and I think he'll really get a benefit from this. And then these are all silver, so they need to be polished up. I mean, think about it, you guys. We're all buying silverware from like Walmart or these other places, and they're not even real silver. Why not eat off real silver? It's not that much more. I'm sure we can all afford it, right? It looks like you need to polish it. I think you polish it with salt. I'm not sure, but I'm sure you could buy a kit, a silver polishing kit. But yeah, so I'm gonna start my silver collection. And in my house, sorry, my allergies. In my house, silverware just goes missing. I think kids are throwing it away with their takeout. I don't know what the heck they're doing. But silver definitely goes missing in my house. Another thing that I got was this. Now these Lots of times they're made out of alabaster, and these aren't. These are made out of lucite, so I was able to get a deal. And this will be really cute in my dining room, I think. So yeah. And then the last thing I want to show you is I have all of these African auntie dresses. I'm not sure. So I got this one, and I'm going to be listing these for $70 each. I'm having someone help me with my blog. I'm also going to have a shop on it as well, because you know they shut my Etsy shop down after years and years. Then I had it opened under my dad's name. They shut it down, so I'm like, okay, it's the end of that era. I'm gonna have a blog shop. So anyways, I have this one, which is really cute. There's a pattern up close. I have this one, which is really more traditional. Then I have this one, which is perfect for summer. Now all these, mind you, they can go off the shoulder like this, or they can be like this, you know.
So my mom wears them and they look super cute.
That. So I have this pattern. And this is probably my favorite because I really do like neutrals. So they're $70 shipped. I'm not even making hardly any money off it, so don't think I'm gouging. And the bottoms are like that. They all have the cute little ruffle detail at the bottom. And I'm only 5'3", and it's a little long. So if you're like 5'5" and above, these are perfect. And I like how they all have pockets, you know? Also, what I'm gonna be listing on my blog shop is my planners. Remember how I had a planner business? Well, I still have them on Amazon, but I'm gonna be listing a bunch of these as well. Okay? So anyways, I'll see you guys next time.